Hello everybody, this is Joni and I'm back to show you a second haul that I made. And I was going to show all of this stuff so that I can put it away and get it out of my way so I can go ahead and get the rest of the house finished for my fall tour. And then I will probably be taking it down and be getting things ready for the Christmas thing, because it's going to take me a while to decorate for Christmas. It always does. But some of the things that this is from Walmart, and I guess the first thing I should start out with were these pillows. Let's see, I think I've got that upside down. And it says, "Give thanks." And they're really big and stuffy. They're stuffed something terrible. And it's a real pretty material. I'm getting my watch against everything. And then this is the second one. It's hard to see with the paper still on them. But I didn't want to separate them until I'm ready to use them. But both of these pillows were only $10. Now, if you can believe that, look how big they are and thick. And they're soft and cushy. They're really soft, and they're going to be really nice, and they'll look really pretty. This one, I don't know if you can really tell that much about it, but it's a deer, and with his antlers and everything. And then this one is just the garland and laurel and stuff with giving thanks. So I think it's going to be really, really pretty. And then I bought two of these little, they're galvanized. Things that I thought I'd like to put them under my tree. I bought a larger one that I want to put in the middle. I think I'm going to just fix them up and then put them under my tree before I put anything else under there. And the larger one, I can show you the difference in the sizes. And I think that will look really pretty. I put some little fairy lights in them with some Christmas balls. And I think that will look really cute sitting under the Christmas tree. It's pretty deep too. And so I'm glad that I've got that. And that will look really pretty, I think. And I bought one of these because I just thought that I would get it and see what I could do with it, because I'm planning on making another kind of house. But I wanted to get one of these just to see basically what I could do with it, because it has the bottom on it. And I think that it would be really pretty, either papered or painted. I may paper mine, I don't know. So we'll find out when the time comes. But I think it's got the little thing here, the ring that holds it up. You could hold it up on a little thing like you have for your wreaths that sits in front of your fireplaces or things like that. Or you could, really, if you have a larger tree, that would probably even sit on one of your bigger branches of your trees. So that's a good idea for it. But I got one of those. And then I got several of these. I am one for giving ornaments at Christmas time. And I hold my glasses. I bet I left them. I've left them around here somewhere. Let me find my glass. Here they are, sitting over here. This is one that I thought was really cute. It says Home Sweet Home, and it has a truck, a little truck. It has a red bow on the door of it. And then it has the Christmas tree on the back of it. And of course, when I see the truck, it reminds me of my husband. And because that's what he drove all the time. And it's really cute. And the paint on the tree is really silky-like. And it's soft and real shiny. So I really like that. And then I bought one of these because we bought a new camper back in the 60s. And we went to, oh dear, it's down in It was down farther, down in Florida. It's down where Trump's property is. I can't remember the name of it. But we stayed down there for 21 days. And we were on our way back home, and a daggone cement truck came up beside us, and he didn't have the chute pin in his, the pin in his chute that was, the concrete came out. And he stopped, and that thing turned around and hit our trailer right in the side. So there went our new trailer. So we got a Winnebago after that. But then I got this, and it says, let's see, it's so dark, I can hardly see. When someone you love becomes a memory, the memory becomes a treasure. Treasure the memory. That's what this says. And I got that because of my husband and my mom and my dad and all my family. They're all gone. So I can hang that up, and it will be really pretty. It's a tree with a big heart in it. That's what it is, and I think that will be really pretty. And then I got two of these. Got one for Mom and one for Dad. And it's a heart. And I will take a picture of hers and have it cut down, just her face, and then I'll have just his face cut down for his and hang that in my tree. So I got those. And you may say, where is Sophie? I didn't get Sophie one. Isn't that something? But I was looking for different kinds at that time. And these little things I think is going to be really nice. These are little cork-like things, and they have lights on them. And you put them down in bottles, and they light your bottles up really pretty. So I'm going to plan on using those. I bought 3 of those. And so I think I can do something with that. And then I really like these. I think they're really supposed to be this way. I'm not sure, I haven't really touched them, but they're probably a heavy plastic, I would say. It looks like glass, and then it has the pine cones over the top, up there near the top with the greenery. And each one of them, it can be an ornament, or I would say that you could just hang them on a wreath or any place you'd want to hang them. But I don't know if you can get a really good. They're really pretty. The only thing is they're glued together with hot glue, and you can see where that hot glue is there where they're putting them together. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some snow right there, and that will take care of that and hide that. And then I got another set of them. There's 4 in a package, and I think that they will be really pretty. They would look pretty on your tree, or like I said, in a wreath, or just in a dish. You can do anything you wanted to with them. So I got those, and then I got this garland, and I got this at Walmart, and it was, I didn't tell you how much those were. These were $5.98, the pine cone things. And this garland is really, really full, and it's beautiful. It's really big. So I got 2 of those, and it's $5.78. And you could do anything you wanted to with that, for your garlands, for wreaths, for anything around your. And here is something else that I bought. And I really like this. It's a lantern. And it's, I think that's a hexagon. I hadn't counted it, but thought it was a hexagon. And I think it's called the Hex Light. And that was at Walmart, and I think that's really pretty for Walmart. They're getting some pretty things in. So I want to fix that up pretty for Christmas. And it comes open right there. And I haven't had it open, but I'm gonna have to set it down because my hernia is gonna be hurting. But I really do like this. I love it, in fact. So that is one of those. And then, let's see. I guess that I'll wait and show you the rest of the stuff that I bought on my next haul. And so I will plan on putting it up probably day after tomorrow, probably. And then I have some other things that I want, projects I want to make. But I've got so many things to do that I've got to paint some things that goes in my dining room. I've already got them hung up, but they have to be painted. And I'm going to have to be very particular while I'm painting them because... And then I've got some things here. I finally found two things that I really like beside my mirror. But Tanya's husband has to hang them for me. And he is busy right now. Very, very busy. So he can't get to hang them up for me right now. So I'm having to wait until he can hang those, and then I'll be able to go ahead with my house tour. That's what I'm waiting on right now. So after he gets those fixed, well, we should be able to get on with the other things. So I'm going to let you go and tell you it's good to be back talking with you and showing you pretty things that I've been doing and getting along okay. And I'm hoping that you all are getting along well and everything is going just fine for you. So I'll talk with you all tomorrow evening on my video, The Good Lord's Will. And just remember, I love you, and so does God. Bye-bye.